Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to write a Python program to print all prime numbers from 0 to 10. So let's start. I'll need a for loop to iterate over all the numbers from 0 to 10. I'll pass 0 to 11 so that I'll get values from 0 to 10. And then I'll just try to print all the numbers just to check if my for loop is correct. Yeah, we are getting all the numbers here. So your for loop is correct till now. Alright, if condition, if is prime is a function we are going to write. I'll pass the number. If number is prime, this is prime function will return true, otherwise it will return false. If it returns true, if condition will print the number, otherwise it will not. Now if you run this program right now, it will ask for the definition of is prime function. So let's define is prime first. I'll create a flag is prime with default value true, and I'll return the same. Okay, so currently this function will return true for all the numbers. Let's try to run this. Something is wrong. Number, line number 1. Yeah, it was just a matter of I just saved that file and it worked. Okay, so it is printing all the numbers. That is fine. Now we are going to write actual logic here. Um, After that, is prime function will return true only if the number is prime. So let's start with the for loop. For divisor in range 1 or 2 to number. I'll just operate this number with modulo operator, number modulo operator divisor, which will return me remainder. If remainder equal 0, that means my number is not prime, so I'll mark it as false. That's it. It should work. Okay, it is printing 2 3 5 7, which are correct value, but we don't want 0 and 1 here because 2 is the first prime number. So to fix this, what you can do is you can simply put if number is equal to 1 or number is equal to 0. Continue. 2 3 5 7, which is correct output. It will just skip the for loop or the for loop conditions if number is 1 or 0. But since 2 is the first prime number, you can just start from 2 and you can remove this code as well. Okay, and one more thing you can do is you can put a break here, which will avoid few unnecessary iterations on the for loop. If number is not prime, you will just come out. You don't need to complete the for loop. Okay, this is the program and this is the correct output. If you like this program, hit that like button, subscribe for more such programs in the future. And if you did not understand this, stay tuned. On the same video I'll explain this program with I'll I will just trace this program. Okay, so it will start from here. For loop, initial number, I'll get initial value as 2. If it is 2, the same value will be passed to is prime function. Here it will come, so from here it will go here to is prime value is true by default. Devisor, uh, uh, the range function will get values 2 as start value and 2 as stop value. So it will not return anything, it will come outside the for loop, it will directly come here. It will, and which is prime is already true, so true value will be returned here in if condition, and it will print the number 2. Then in the next iteration it will get number will get value as 3. Okay, and the same value will be passed here to is prime function. So in is prime number is 3. By default is prime is true, so true. uh, Range function will get value 2 to 3, so it will start from 2 and it will end at 3. So first and last value is 2, so divisor is 2. So let's write it here, divisor is 2, and then remainder equal to number by divisor. Number is 3, divisor is 2, 3 by 2. You will get something non-zero remainder. Since it is non-zero, it will not come inside if, uh, and it will go directly here is prime, which is true. So the value will be returned over here if we will receive true, and it will print the number 3. In the next iteration, you'll get value 4 in number. Here it is 4. Uh, the 4 value will be passed to is prime function, and it will come here. So write it down here. Okay, by default is prime flag is true. Range function will get 2 and 4 as parameter, so it will give values from 2, 3, and at 4 it will end. So it will run for 2 iteration, 2 and 3. So in first iteration, divisor is 2, number is 4. 4 by 2 will get a 0 reminder. So remainder is 0, and its prime flag will become false. There is one more iteration remaining, but since it is false and you got this break statement, it will just skip the next iterations of this for loop. It will come out of it and it will return the is prime value, which is false, and false will be returned to if. And since the value is false, it will not print 4, it will directly go to the next iteration. In next iteration it will get 5. So that's how it will work. It will work for rest of the numbers till 10. So it will start from this loop will start from 2 to 10. I hope this will give you a clear idea about this program. Friends, if you like this video, hit that like button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.